You think you've seen it all? Think again. Let's explore the untouched gems of our planet. Imagine standing on the edge of the enchanted river in the Philippines, gazing into waters so blue they seem otherworldly. Or trekking through the lush, mysterious forests of Socotra Island, Yemen, where dragon blood trees paint a surreal landscape. How about the Rainbow Mountains of China, with their vibrant, otherworldly colors that seem straight out of a dream? These hidden gems are nature's best-kept secrets, waiting for adventurous souls like you to discover them. From the bioluminescent bays of Puerto Rico, the world is brimming with awe-inspiring wonders, because sometimes the most beautiful places are the ones we've yet to explore. Ready to uncover the secrets of our planet? Let's go!